lead comes in off your website, and you dial that phone. So what's the first question?
My very first question I actually picked up from Chris Voss. Is now a bad time to talk?
Love it.
Because everybody actually wants to say, are you good to talk? And they want to say no, and they feel like they're in control. So you say, hey, is now a bad time to talk? They're going to say no. Like, oh, cool. Well, I saw that you signed up on our website and wanted to see what I can do for you. Could you tell me a little bit more about why you clicked on here? So if you're using the who, what, why, when, how questions, you're going to do way better off. I'm going to ask questions like, so who all is the decision makers in this process? The person who's usually doing the research at the beginning isn't the person who's actually the decision maker. They're usually the worker bee of it. And what usually happens if you have a large company, bunch of agents sitting in your Real Geeks account, what happens? The wife is sitting on there and she says, honey, go look at this property. She shares it with her husband. He goes and makes another account. And guess what? It didn't get assigned to you because you didn't ask all these kinds of questions. Another internal question that I ask all the time is this your primary email? They'll come in, they'll sign up with a Facebook link or something like that, their junk email. They find out that you're an awesome person. They want to deal with you. But guess what? They don't remember your name.